Hello everyone, here's Mia from TAICO. Today I'm gonna introduce to our TAICO roller model 16 kilowatt hours battery to you. Some of you may face these situations like unstable grid power, sudden power outage, and electricity bill soar during peak hours. We have found this specific solution for you. This one is roller model, very easy to move. You can place it anywhere like garage, balcony, or indoors. Is very flexible and convenient. In addition, it uses solid-state battery cell, which cycle life is longer than traditional LFP battery. More durable, extremely safe, no fire of risk or explosion. Its ingress protection is IP65, can effectively resist rain and dust. More importantly, its large capacity 6 kilowatt hours perfectly match daily household needs. If you want to know more about our TAICO products, please visit our official website, taicopower.com.